A mimic tried to lure him in. A man had just moved into a new apartment with his young daughter, but soon after settling in, she began complaining about hearing strange noises.
Hey guys, I just want to show you something. I just moved into a new house, and some weird things have been happening. It's a little bit of a disaster because, like I said, we just moved in. But anyways, right here, I just want to show you my daughter is sleeping. Okay, watch. Here, this back room is where it gets weird. Just listen to this. Look at my cat reacting.
Samuel, I know you can't listen to this. I know you're here.
No, not doing it. Hang on. She's still right here.
Her daughter can be seen sleeping peacefully, but as he checks the other room, his cat suddenly becomes alert, staring toward another room. Then he hears his daughter's voice calling out to him.
I know you're here.
No, not doing it.
Spooked out, he decides not to confront it and plans to find a new apartment.